Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you Path of Exile 2 game error, and the error is exception fatal error in metadata. So if you're getting this error, exception fatal error in metadata delta 2, and the second one is exception fatal error in metadata delta 132. So if you're getting these two error in Path of Exile 2 game, then here follow the fixes very carefully. So the first fix is to log out and do not log in for 15 to 20 minutes and then log in back and check. So it was resolved if you do not log in for 15 minutes, making the instance of the area reset. You can also try this, either leave the instance and ctrl-click the entrance again and create a new instance, or wait outside that instance for about 10 plus minutes for it to expire, and then you can log in back and check. You can also try this fix. I was able to log back in by logging back into my hideout rather than the map. You can simply select choose spawn in hideout in the character select, and this will resolve the issue. You can also try this. You can rest the map and spawn in hideout in character select. It solved the problem for me. Fix 3 is to change server region. Just switch to another server region to reset instance and then log in back and check. Or you can also switch the server before selecting the character and then log in and check. Fix 4 is to disconnect internet while launching the game and then reconnect internet and then log in and check. So there is a chance you can fix this by disconnecting your internet during the load screen. As soon as you try to log in and the load screen appears, forcibly disconnect your PC from the internet. Whatever you need to do to disconnect the internet. This should cause the game to drop back to the login screen with no error, and jump starts the server instance by resetting your instance without generating an error on your end with it. And then reconnect your internet and then log in as per normal and check. Fix 5 is to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Path of Exile 2 game, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then you can just restart your PC once, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, log in back and check. Or you can also check their server status. If Path of Exile 2 server is down, having outage or having any maintenance, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Path of Exile 2 exception fatal error in metadata. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.